Last week, we started to disassemble our Siren 17 sailboat in order to do a major restoration. Work is still underway on the boat, although maybe not going quite as smoothly as we had hoped.
Thought it was gonna go.
Part 2 of our restoration series will be coming next week, so hit subscribe so you don't miss that. But this week, we had to take a little break from boat work so that we could get a few other jobs done. Today, the weather was pretty nice, so we decided to head out with a side-by-side for a couple loads of firewood.
Everything's frozen. Everything's frozen. I think we'll knock these few big ones down here, like right towards the side-by-sides. That should be almost a load, so.
Mommy, have we got to cut down this one? What's this one?
Those two, and these two here, and then that one.
I was just about to cut this one.
I'll get it with the big saw. Nice.
Would you rather be out here cutting firewood or in the barn sanding the sailboat?
I don't know. In the barn sanding the sailboat, I want to use that thing this summer.
This isn't too bad though.
No, this is nice too. Better than being at work.
happened to you? You done helping?
No.
Nap time?
No.
full yet.
But there's so much firewood, that's enough.
You see that one hit the tree right above your head?
Today's firewood mission may have had a slight ulterior motive. We needed a little extra wood to be able to justify using the wood-fired hot tub. We'll light that up later today. Off for round 2, and we're down a helper.
Let's do it. Big suckers right here. They're pretty close to the trail.
Yeah, we could stop here and grab them.
Yeah, maybe do that. I'll go turn around and we'll just pull back here on the trail and park. Yeah, these rounds are all quite a bit bigger than the last batch, so I think we'll just drop them at the splitter here and let the kids deal with this, because seeing that they didn't want to come out and help us collect them.
I'd say that's fair.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round around the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage.
If we split that just like that, that would be such a good kindling tool.
Well, maybe you can make that into kindling when you're done splitting the wood.
Stage headline on a Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. Sunday night. Oh, oh, oh.
Now it's time to turn out the lights and enjoy this soak. Thanks for watching, and see you next week when we get back to work on the sailboat.